Hi everyone, we are here at Pet Fed. It is India's largest pet show, as you can see, and it is 11 a.m. right now, and this is the entry time that it starts at. And this pet show is for 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday. So this right here is Zogi. Now we are going to go inside and show you what's there.
Okay guys, visit the Purina booth. Nestle comes to India with its leading dog and cat food brand.
Guys, if you are a pet owner, you should come to this place, and even if you are a pet lover, you should come to this place. This place is full of cuteness, and there are lots of dogs and cats, as we have already shown you. Still, people are coming in and they are bringing in their dogs and cats, and people have even brought the awards their pets have won for them. So it's really amazing.
You can go. You can guys enjoy the stalls. You can register yourself for the other competitions over here for building biscuits, Temptation LA, and we are coming up with some more activities, and you're getting a chance to win some more sample prizes over here, like Tiger, and Tiger is still busy posing.
So guys, that was it. Now we are heading out. It is, what time is it?
Probably 1:40.
Yes, we have been here for almost about 3 hours, and this was our first experience at Pet Fed, India's largest pet festival, as they say. So yeah, right now we are heading out. So guys, that was it. And tomorrow we won't be going, but that's a Sunday, so this event is for 2 days, and we went on the first day of it, and it was pretty good. This is Zoe right here with me. How was the event for you?
Event was fun. We both are different. He's a dog person, I'm the cat person here.
But I still touch cats, but she does not. She hesitates a lot to touch dogs.
I'm afraid of dogs. Dogs can bite anytime.
Dogs don't bite anytime,
They
but
do bite.
yes, cats do attack you randomly.
No, they don't.
And I think most
He's
people would
lying.
agree to it. If you do agree to it, let us know in the comments. That is totally optional. So now where are we going?
Prithvi Cafe.
Okay, so now we are heading to Prithvi Cafe.
From JVPD. It's 1 kilometer from your walking distance. If you're a lazy person, then you just grab an auto and get in the auto.
She's giving signs that she's going to take an auto.
No, I'm not going to take an auto. We're going to walk all the way from JVPD to Prithvi Cafe.
It's right next to the iconic Prithvi Theatre, if you are a theatre person. And even if you're not, you might be knowing Prithvi Theatre because it's really famous. See you at Prithvi Cafe.
So we have reached Prithvi Cafe, and as you can see, there are a lot of people here. Come here on weekdays where you get empty slots. So we have got a 40 minutes booking. We have to come here after 40 minutes just to get a seat here. But you can always take a parcel and just get away from this crowded place. This side, that's Prithvi Theatre. If you're the kind of person who likes attending plays, theatre acts, then you must come here. So this is inside of the Prithvi Theatre. It's a well decorated place. Then here is a Chotu Sa library. If you're a book lover, then you must come here. There are lots of books to read. You can sit inside and read, but I'm not going to be going inside since it's a little crowded. And yeah, that was all about Prithvi Theatre for now. And wait till we get place to sit and go inside.
Oh, you got a seat. What's this that you're eating? That's me eating. Now she's also having tea. I don't know when she'll stop, but I hope she does very soon.
So अब फाइनली घर पहुंच गए हैं, एंड इट वाज अ वेरी बहुत थकावट वाला दिन था हमारे लिए. थैंक्स टू शांतनु, बहुत वॉक कराया इसने. So it was a fun day. If you're a cat person, if you're a dog person, you have fun days. Whether you have pets or not, it was a day full of fun and joy.
सो पेट फेस्ट से बाहर निकलने के बाद हम लोग पृथ्वी थिएटर गए एंड पृथ्वी कैफ़े में हमने खाना खाया विच वाज वेरी डिलीशियस एंड द प्राइसेस वर गुड कंपेयर्ड लाइक खाने के क्वालिटी के हिसाब से प्राइसेस वर वेरी गुड बट क्राउड बहुत ज़्यादा था. सो द पेट फेस्ट वाज अमेजिंग एंड पेट फेस्ट इंडिया इज़ मतलब इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा पेट फेस्टिवल होता है एंड यहाँ पे अडॉप्शंस के लिए ऑल्सो यू कैन गो एंड बहुत सारे पेट शोज़ भी देखे हम लोगों ने. सो ये 2 दिन का फेस्टिवल होता है बट हमने सिर्फ 1 दिन कवर किया एंड आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि हम वहाँ पे आज साइकिल से नहीं गए. सो ये हमने जानबूझ के किया बिकॉज यहाँ से उसका डिस्टेंस कितना था
19 किलोमीटर्स.
यस वो 19 किलोमीटर्स दूर था लोकेशन एंड क्योंकि इवेंट का टाइम था 11 बजे से 7 बजे तक तो हमें मालूम था कि एटलीस्ट 3-4 घंटे हम लोग कंटिन्यूसली वहाँ पे चलते रहेंगे एंड वापस भी आना होगा एंड दोपहर में ट्रैफिक के टाइम पे हम लोग रोड्स अवॉइड कर रहे थे एंड इसीलिए हम लोग साइकिल से नहीं गए बट नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल बी ऑन साइकिलिंग.
Yes. That's all. Keep watching our videos. Please do subscribe and share with your friends.
डू सब्सक्राइब
And do like our videos.
एंड एज ऑलवेज अगर आपका कोई भी सजेशंस है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में ड्रॉप कीजिए एंड लेट अस नो.